So guys, how do you make a video or whatever on this? This is recording extra thing. So how do you make your sound to a notification? I do this all the time. Do this or press the screen recorder if you've been recording it, and yeah. Wait for it to load. Yeah. And then you can see these. This is brain line. I baked mine. So if I press this, the brain line.
Gibbity toilet One Piece Fortnite.
Yeah. There is a bird feeder. Shut up. What I feel so sad, bro. I wanna no. Let's go to this. I'm gonna go to that. Just I don't care, but if you record it, this is my notification. I need this I need to make this to my ringtone. Then you can see my ringtone, my notifications.
Gibbity toilet One Piece Fortnite. Gibbity toilet One Piece Fortnite.
Guys, we're doing a rec room gaming. It's video to auto you. With this. But it's just press cover, click on. I think that's a file. These are my front door photos. These two. Like it has plants. So I'm gonna take my rec room video. We need to crop and rotate our character. And he is all done. Just trying to be right here. Be right here. Or you can put him like this. You can put him like this. If he's fine, you're fine. Save it like here. Just keep it as your character or whatever. Do I even need to fix it? No. Well, you can cut it, but what's off of it like that? Join. Make whatever title, whatever you want to. Join. Then it's 5-star. Ali. Join. Go put my username. See what that does. Just make it is whatever. Track. Track 1. I'm gonna make it like that. Whatever else. For format. No, don't make it like that. Just do it like, please. Mine's gonna be join. Same thing. Then you can do this. That's how you do that. That's how. And then you just post it on your profile or whatever. Just post it on your YouTube. I already did. I don't even have a one. Join.
Gibbity Toilet One Piece Fortnite.
I cannot. And then just do this. I know I'm using my mic right now. And then you go to your screen recorder. Go to your Google Play. No, go to your Google Play. Yeah. Go to Play Store. No. Yeah, you're going to Google Play. Plus search if you cannot find it. And then search up for screen recorder right here. I've been searching it, and it's this one. It's this one. That one, like the camera with a red dot in it. Like the video player, it has the TV. That's a recorder. I'm not downloading none of these. I'm not. Yeah, but when I have enough storage, I'm gonna install CapCut. Because I never use CapCut, bro. Maybe you go to this one. But not whip it, not whip it. You can make playables if you want to. Don't use your. If you're over 13, you can use your screen recorder. It shows your face cam audio. By the way, I hope I do this to my PlayStation videos, but you need a PlayStation camera for this. And then you press this. Press install. Install your phone. You can see that I already got it. So, yeah. See you. Bye.